Dive into Rollercoin, a fun way to mine crypto. Imagine a world where mining cryptocurrency is as easy as playing online games. That's the magic of Rollercoin. This innovative platform lets you build a virtual mining empire and earn real crypto rewards. No need for expensive hardware or technical expertise, just your gaming skills and a thirst for digital treasure. Rollercoin combines the thrill of online gaming with the lucrative world of cryptocurrency mining. The more you play, the more powerful your virtual mining rigs become, earning you a variety of popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and of course, Matic. It's the perfect way to dip your toes into the world of crypto while having a blast. But Rollercoin is more than just a game. It's a thriving community of crypto enthusiasts. Connect with players from around the globe, compete in tournaments, and climb the leaderboards to earn bragging rights and even bigger rewards. So, are you ready to roll the dice and mine your way to crypto riches? Join the Rollercoin adventure. It's easy and free. Ready to embark on your Rollercoin adventure? Signing up is a piece of cake. Just head over to the Rollercoin website and click the sign up button. You can create an account using your email address or connect instantly with your Facebook or Google account. Once you've created your account, you'll be greeted by your very own virtual room, complete with a basic mining rig, ready to generate your first Satoshis. You'll also receive a helpful tutorial to guide you through the game's features and mechanics. It's super intuitive and designed with beginners in mind. And the best part? Signing up for Rollercoin is completely free. There's no need to invest any money to start playing and earning crypto. So what are you waiting for? Join the Rollercoin community today and start building your crypto empire. Power up your mining, let the games begin. The heart of Rollercoin lies in its addictive and engaging mini-games. These games are not only fun to play, but also the key to boosting your mining power. From classic arcade-style adventures to brain-teasing puzzles, there's a game for everyone on Rollercoin. As you conquer these games, you'll earn rewards that increase your mining power, allowing you to mine crypto at a faster rate. The more you play, the stronger your mining rigs become and the more crypto you can earn. It's a win-win situation. You get to enjoy hours of gaming fun while passively generating crypto rewards. But it's not all about brute force. Rollercoin also rewards strategic thinking. You can choose to invest your rewards in upgrading your existing mining rigs or purchase new, more powerful ones. You can even join mining pools with other players to combine your hash rate and earn even bigger rewards. The choice is yours. Claim your Matic treasure. It's payday, now. For the moment you've all been waiting for, cashing in your hard-earned crypto. Rollercoin makes it super easy to withdraw your earnings, including your free Matic. Simply navigate to the withdraw section of your account and select Matic as your desired cryptocurrency. You'll need to have a minimum amount of Matic in your Rollercoin wallet to withdraw. But don't worry, it's easily achievable by playing games and boosting your mining power. Once you've met the minimum withdrawal amount, you can enter your Matic wallet address and hit that withdraw button. Your free Matic will be transferred to your external wallet in a matter of hours or days, depending on the current network traffic. And just like that, you've successfully earned free Matic by playing games on Rollercoin. It's that simple and rewarding. Reap the rewards. Why Rollercoin is your ticket to crypto fun. Rollercoin isn't just another online game. It's a gateway to the exciting world of cryptocurrency. By seamlessly blending gaming and crypto mining, Rollercoin offers a fun, engaging, and accessible way to earn free crypto, including Matic. But the benefits don't stop there. Rollercoin boasts a vibrant and supportive community where you can connect with fellow crypto enthusiasts, share tips and tricks, and participate in exciting tournaments and events. So why wait? Join the Rollercoin revolution today and experience the thrill of mining crypto while having a blast. Who knows? You might just become the next Rollercoin tycoon.